Imagine dropping a complex coding task into your terminal, stepping back, and watching an AI agent write, test, and debug the whole thing autonomously. Now imagine running that loop all day, every day, without paying a single cent in API usage fees. Anthropic's official Claude Code CLI is incredibly capable, but it requires a direct paid API key. Because autonomous agents work by running continuous loops of planning, querying, and execution, those token costs compound fast. We can bypass that native billing gateway by setting up a custom local proxy server. This interceptor catches the CLI's outbound requests and quietly routes them to a generous, free alternative, NVIDIA NIM. To set this up, you only need two things: a standard terminal environment and a pre-installed Node Package Manager, or NPM, on your machine. By severing the connection to the paid API and swapping in a free backend, independent developers get full access to top-tier autonomous coding workflows without the enterprise price tag. Step 1 is securing our backend supply. Head over to build.nvidia.com to grab the integration credentials needed for the proxy. Create a standard developer account. You get access to their robust developer tier immediately, and they don't even ask for a credit card during sign-up. Navigate to your settings, generate a brand new API key, and copy that exact string directly to your system clipboard. This free tier has a hard cap. You are limited to exactly 40 requests per minute. While 40 requests might sound low for a production web server, an autonomous CLI agent pauses constantly to read files, run tests, and stream text. For a single developer's workflow, you will rarely hit that ceiling. With the key secured, open your terminal so we can assemble the toolchain. First, handle the proxy's dependencies. Install the UV Python Package Manager. Next, install the AI interface. Use NPM for Claude Code globally. Run a version check on both. Always verify your tools before proceeding. We're setting up a strict division of labor here. The Python environment manages the heavy lifting of the backend proxy, while the Node package gives us the polished, official front-end interface. Now, pull down the free Claude Code proxy repository from GitHub to your local machine. Navigate into the project folder, use UV to sync the required Python dependencies, and make a copy of the example environment variables file, renaming it to simply .env. Open the configuration file. Paste your key into the NVIDIA NIM API key row. Above that is the model line. You must specify the provider with a strict prefix format, NVIDIA NIM/. If you misspell this prefix, the server won't route the request and will crash. This simple text file acts as the universal translator, taking native Anthropic instructions and reformatting them on the fly so NVIDIA's API can read them. Let's bring the system online. Arrange your terminal application into a split pane or side-by-side layout so you can monitor both sides of the process. In your first pane, run the server startup script. This boots up the local Python proxy, which will sit quietly and listen for incoming traffic. Over in your second pane, we have to blindfold the official CLI. Export a blank Anthropic API key to override the default requirement, and set the Anthropic base URL to point at your new local proxy address. Look closely at this base URL. You must explicitly omit the standard /v1 suffix at the end of the address. If you include it, the network routing will fail immediately. With those variables set, type Claude in the second pane and hit Enter. Instantly, the left pane lights up. The proxy intercepts the CLI's routine background checks and quota probes, neutralizing them locally to save your API limits. Because the local proxy successfully answered the initial handshakes, the application drops you directly into the prompt interface, entirely bypassing the native billing login screen. Let's put the proxy under load. We'll ask the CLI to write a Python script that scrapes a website, parses the data, and saves it to a CSV file. As the agent starts working, watch the left terminal pane. It's actively intercepting Anthropic's proprietary tool use XML tags and translating them into standard chat completions that the NVIDIA API understands, all in real time. Over in the right pane, the agent finishes its work. It autonomously executes the file write commands, verifies the code, and successfully outputs our scraped data. If you're working with sensitive data, you don't even need the Cloud API. You can swap out the NVIDIA credentials for a local backend like LM Studio or Llama, running the entire intelligence loop fully offline. The repository also supports remote setups. You can bind the proxy to a Discord bot for agent control from your phone, or route it directly through the official VS Code extension. By mastering this local interceptor architecture, you gain the full power of an autonomous coding assistant, permanently breaking your reliance on closed, paper-token developer ecosystems.